Hi, I'm Tom Sharp, Application Engineer at WL Gore & Associates. I support the mil aerospace market in North America. Today we're introducing the GORE Tethered Drone Cable. We conducted extensive voice of customer surveys in the market to understand what the perfect tethered drone cable would consist of. And we resoundingly heard back from customers that they needed a lightweight, small diameter cable. And the reason they need that is because they want to increase payloads, or they want to increase the payoff length of the cabling system. So with a cable that's smaller, you can put more cable on the reel. We also heard that they had environmental concerns, so durability was an utmost consideration for us. We used the GORE material set that consists of expanded PTFE, insulation on the wires, and a unique jacketing system that we developed specifically for this environment. The jacketing system is unique in that it does not pick up moisture weight. Competitive products on the market we've tested, and they actually pick up weight when exposed to the environment. So that was a concern for us, and we've addressed that. The fiber optic element of the cable is enclosed in a crush-resistant jacket, so we don't have to be concerned with handling issues or breaking or stepping on the cable, because we know that the environment is very harsh. So we often talk about product features and benefits, but I think what we really are focused on is the benefit to the warfighter. Jeff and I are both prior service. I was in the Air Force, Desert Storm, and my youngest son is currently in the Marine Corps, stationed at Camp Pendleton. So it's a combination of personal interest in terms of developing products for the warfighter and the professional aspect of it as well.